Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I remove my tip-in extensions. This is just kind of a show and tell, or not really even a show and tell. It's really just a watch me take out my tip-in extensions, because I get so many questions from you guys about, do these damage your hair, how do you take them out, how long does it take, all those questions. So hopefully watching me do it will explain some of the process to you guys. In here, this is all the hair that pretty much came out of my head. It was, I think I had about 80 sandwiches in my head, maybe not 80 sandwiches, it was like 40 sandwiches, so 80 pieces, I don't know, but that sounds about right. To take out my tape-ins, I use the Big Kizzy Hair extension remover system. I do want to DIY a system like this because this was burning my cuticles so bad when I was taking the extensions out. And also I just feel like it's super drying, so if I could figure out a way that it doesn't like dry my hair out, that'd be awesome. But essentially you use this one to take the extensions out, and then you use this one, which is more of an oil based solution, to to like get any extra residue out of your head. Once I got the extensions out, I use this to get the extensions out, and then I put this all over my head, and I kind of just like rubbed it at the roots to kind of loosen up the gunk and the tape and the sticky residue that was still left. Sorry, I'm like finding hair on me. Then I washed my hair, or I did a deep condition, then I washed it with a clarifying shampoo, and then I did another wash with a clarifying shampoo just to make sure that it was super clean, and then I did a wash with a moisturizing shampoo just to make sure that it was super clean and moisturized. And now I'm doing a deep condition so that I can put some moisture back in my head, because I definitely stripped some out with trying to take the extensions out and with the clarifying shampoo. But if you guys want to see, just keep watching.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor, flame your lighter, take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out. The time is still, stay in the daydream, chase the thrill, make up the way as we go, live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor, flame your lighter, take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out. be high with the lights off. I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.